Okay, IELTS speaking part 1.
Yes.
Let's start. Topic is sunglasses.
Yes.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Yes, of course. I have three pairs of sunglasses, and I'm one of the person who mostly like.
I'm one of those people who mostly likes. I'm one of those people
I'm one of those people who
who
mostly
mostly
likes wearing sunglasses. And apart from this, I have a separate drawers for
drawer for sunglasses.
drawer for sunglasses. And the furthermore, I buy a new one, and in every week.
That's good. So to answer your question, I have
have
a good collection of sunglasses.
sunglasses.
Right? Like this. How often do you wear them?
I use sunglasses whenever I go outside. There are two reasons behind this. First of all, when there is hot summer, and that protect my eyes
That
from
protects my eyes.
that protects my eyes from sun rays. And the other reason is that other reason is that when I go outside and there is there is a lot of dust around the
Okay, so
environment.
even
Yes.
then I wear sunglasses.
Yes.
Have you ever lost a pair of sunglasses?
Of course, I have lost many times my sunglasses. Last time I was coming back home from a university,
I was
and
going back
lost.
home.
I was going back home my university, and I lost it, and that was very precious, and that was gifted me
That was gifted to me
to
by
my uncle.
uncle. So to answer your question,
To
yes,
answer
on
this,
various occasions I lost my
I lost.
sunglasses. Do people in your country wear sunglasses?
Of course, in my country, people wear sunglasses. I think two reasons behind this. First of all, in which country I live, there summer season remain for 6 months, and the second is that people look more confident, and people want to be stylish.
Okay, that's
of
why they
wearing
wear
it.
sunglasses. Good job, fantastic, very good. Let's go on. Smile, good. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, of course, we should drink lots of water because
Speak in the
this
mic,
is-
please come closer.
Because this is good for our health, and drinking water has a lots of benefits. It keeps our body and skin hydrated, and along with
Yeah, so to answer your question, I drink plenty of water every day, right? How often do you drink water?
I usually drink water once in 2 hours, and I should drink water in every day, almost 5 liter.
5 liters every day. हाँ बंदा ना हो गया मज होगी. All right. Yes, 5 liters is too much.
No, sir, this is the research of
5 liters.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. 20. How many glasses? 5 liters. 20 glasses.
18-20.
Yes. Four glasses for 1 liter. All right. Don't worry. You drink water. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. So you can do when you are showering. Open your mouth and drink water. Yeah. Okay. All right. Do you prefer to drink bottled water or water from water machine, like filtered water? Bottled water means like bottled water, and filtered water.
Okay, honestly speaking, I prefer to bottled water.
I prefer to drink bottled water. Bottled.
Okay, I prefer to drink bottled water because first of all, I like Nestle company, and this water is very pure and safe. And secondly, I prefer to bottled water because this is available everywhere, and we can take easily.
Okay, we can buy it easily and
can.
drink it. Okay, let's go on. What kind of water do you like to drink? Hot, cold, lukewarm?
Okay, usually I drink water. I drink lukewarm water to chilled water or hot water because this is good for our health. And early morning, I prefer to drink lukewarm water, which helps us in helps us digestion process, and
Okay.
along with we can lose weight.
All
for
right, we
this.
can lose weight if we drink water in the morning. All right, about treadmill. Now you're saying with water we can lose weight, huh? Okay, overall it's good. Some of your answers are long, and examiner will interrupt you in that case. So if you are interrupted by the examiner, next answer cut it short a little, but don't answer in 1 to 2 sentences. But overall it's good. Okay, thank you. Keep it up.